Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to move your T-Mobile eSIM from one phone to another quickly and safely. I'll guide you through the proper steps to transfer your eSIM and get both devices working correctly. Now, let's tackle the problem. Method 1. Check eSIM compatibility on your new phone. First, make sure your new phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. T-Mobile eSIM only works on devices that are compatible and activated for your account. Method 2. Remove eSIM from the old phone. Optional. On your old phone, go to Settings, Cellular, eSIM or Mobile Data, and select Remove Cellular Plan if required. Some phones allow multiple eSIMs, so removal might not be necessary, but it prevents confusion. Method 3. Use T-Mobile app or website to transfer eSIM. Open the T-Mobile app or log into your account on tmobile.com. Select Activate or Transfer eSIM and follow the on-screen instructions to generate a QR code for your new device. Method 4. Scan QR code on your new phone. On your new phone, go to Settings, Cellular, add Cellular Plan, and scan QR code. Use the QR code from T-Mobile to download the eSIM directly to the new device. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi during this step to complete activation smoothly. Method 5. Confirm service and test. Once installed, restart your phone and check for T-Mobile signal bars. Test calling, texting, and mobile data to ensure everything is working properly. Method 6. Contact T-Mobile support if needed. If the eSIM doesn't activate, call T-Mobile support or use the chat and the app. They can remotely activate or troubleshoot the eSIM transfer. And that's it. Your T-Mobile eSIM should now be active on your new phone. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick mobile tutorials.